Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pep's Corner. Today we will continue reading our book, How Does a Waterfall Become Electricity? We will be reading pages 16 through 21. Our focus and purpose for reading is posted on the screen. So make sure you have your book in hand, boys and girls, and are actively reading and following along. Remember to reread a second time so you are coming to shared reading fully prepared to engage in instruction. Let's begin. Page 16. Electricity in our homes. The water power that spins a turbine eventually becomes electricity that lights our homes. But how does this happen? When water spins a turbine, it turns a shaft that is connected to a generator. The generator is what makes electricity. The round rotor, which contains magnets, spins inside the generator. Spinning magnets creates electricity in the stator, a metal piece that surrounds the rotor. Wires inside the stator carry the electricity out of the generator. Moving water makes the turbine spin. This spinning energy is turned into electrical energy in the stator. The electricity travels through the wires to a power system. From there, power lines carry it all over. The electricity is then turned into power for homes and factories. These power lines are part of the grid system, bringing electricity from plants to homes. The biggest yet, a planned hydroelectric station is in the works on the Red Sea in the Middle East. When it is built, it will be the world's biggest hydroelectric plant. Who uses water power? Kurobe Dam is the largest dam in Japan. It is 186 meters, 610 feet high. Please look at the picture on the bottom of page 18. The 5 countries that use the most hydroelectric power in the world are China, Canada, Brazil, the United States, and Russia. Norway, India, and Japan also get lots of electricity from water. Canada gets more of its electricity from water than any other country. In fact, hydroelectric plants are so common there that many Canadians refer to any power plants as hydro. What places are good for creating water power? Areas with lots of rain or snow will have more flowing water. Also, rivers that travel from high to low areas are more powerful. These are the areas where hydroelectric stations will be found. The mountains of the Pacific Northwest in the United States are one area with both of these features. The United States gets less than 10% of its energy from water. Most of this comes from the Pacific Northwest. Famous hydroelectric plants. Hydroelectric dams are in use all over the world. Here are a few famous ones. Niagara Falls. This beautiful waterfall is on the border between the United States and Canada. Niagara Falls is a famous tourist attraction. Since 1893, some of the water has flowed through a hydroelectric plant instead of over the falls. It is a source of power for thousands of people. Around 2 billion tourists visit Niagara Falls every year. Aswan High Dam. The Aswan High Dam in Egypt also uses water for power. Lake Nasser behind the dam is the largest human-made lake in the world. This body of water also supplies drinking water to Egypt. While doing that, it makes 10 billion kilowatts of power for the country every year. Itampu Dam. The Itampu Dam in Brazil is on the Paraná River, close to the famous Iguaçu Falls. It is part of the world's largest hydroelectric plant. The plant provides electricity to Brazil and Paraguay. It took 30,000 people to build the Itaputu Dam, a huge waterfall. There are 275 waterfalls that make up the Iguaçu Falls, spanning almost 3 kilometers or 2 miles.